pay matrix. In more complicated firms that operate many business units or in many countries, pay scale is not enough. You need a pay matrix. To explain you what we have in mind, let's have a look at a short case study. So let's imagine that we have 5 business units of a consulting firm. One is operating in USA, the other one in Western Europe. We've got also presence in Eastern Europe, Asia, and Africa. Since there will be difference in pricing and cost of living, we should create a pay scale for every market, and those pay scale will look differently for each and every market. And this is what we have in mind when we are talking about a pay matrix. In other words, this will be a separate pay scale for different countries, and for the same position we may have a different salaries. However, they will be set for a specific market. So in our example, this is how the pay scale for the USA would look like. In Western Europe, obviously, it will be a little bit different. We assume that this will be a little bit lower. Eastern Europe, as you can see, it's also lower, and so on and so forth. In other words, all the managers in Eastern Europe will earn 88,000. However, if you were a manager in Western Europe, you would be earning more, 158,000, and even more in USA. So as you can see, we allow for differences of salary on the same position, but between regions. Within the same region, there is a set pay scale, which determines all the salaries. The name of the pay matrix comes from the fact that you can also present it in a form of a matrix. And here we show with color coding the salary level by positions and by the divisions. And as you can see, this will differ for each and every country. So that's in short when it comes to theory. Now let's move on to a case study.